Boom! What's up, fam bam? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. Welcome to another Real Crypto Talk. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. Share this video. Turn on the post notifications, folks, so you can get notified anytime that I upload a video. Also, want to welcome you into, if you're on Facebook, I want to welcome you to my free crypto game and smoke trees group because I'm just laid back like that. I like to smoke me some trees. I like to uh, indulge into some blockchain technology talk and talk real crypto talk. So it's your boy Blockchain James in the building, coming to you with another real crypto talk. This is, matter of fact, Brave browser application. Advertisement. So I just clicked on it and I want to click out of it. So let's take a look at the market for today. So if you don't have Brave, make sure you download the browser, folks. You get paid every month, uh, by the way, for clicking on those ads. So let's look at the top winners for the past 24 hours. Sushi Swap up 6.68%. The graph is up 5.88%. Waves up 4.90%. Chainlink up 4.21%. Thor Chain is up 4.26%. What's on sale? Clay is on sale for down 6.38%. Internet Computer down 6.38%. Stacks is down 5.60%. Doge is down 4.59%. KuCoin token is down 4.73%. And so let's get straight into the headlines for today. All right. Four reasons why Paul Tudor Jones, 5% Bitcoin exposure. Advice is difficult for major funds. Shouts out to Paul Tudor Jones, man, because when he mentioned, was it last year, that he was going to be allocating about 1% to 2% of his wealth into Bitcoin, that's created a stir in the marketplace amongst other billionaires and hedge funds and so forth. And now he's talking 5%. So he's increased his exposure to Bitcoin by increasing his percentage. And I mean, he has billions. You do 5% of billions of dollars, you can just do the math on that. Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashari calls Doge a Ponzi. Hmm. Yep, still with the Ponzi talk. Top five cryptocurrencies to watch this week: BTC, ADA, Theta, XMR, and AMP. Is in the news, $71 billion in crypto has reportedly passed through Blockchain Island in Malta since 2017. Hint, hint. They are very crypto friendly. That's all I'm saying about that. How smart regulation can improve the future of blockchain is in the news. And I mean, yeah, it could, but, regulators, well, yeah, that's a fact. Smart regulation. Let's just keep it what it is. Smart regulation. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's be smart about the regulations. Regulators, congressmen, politicians, all the folk that control shit, right? Uh, be smart, because here's the deal, guys. I mean, when you start regulating smartly, then you give innovators the opportunity to create. You don't want to stifle the creation process, being able to create and innovate and keep up with world economics. I mean, let's just keep it real. So yeah, smart regulation could possibly improve the future of blockchain. Who knows, right? We'll see. Bitcoin price can hit $450,000 in 2021. 135K is the worst case scenario, and that is the story for today. Decentralized identity can bring the analog world into the digital one. Is in the news. Bitcoin price dips below 34K as Grayscale starts giant BTC unlocking. And for those of you that aren't familiar with Grayscale, you may want to look them up. And here's a tip. Whatever coins that they have as a fund, you may want to be sitting on yourself and accumulating. Because again, we're early in crypto, folks. We're very early in crypto. So for those of you that are that are following this channel, you're getting a little news here and there. You're getting different headlines. You're starting to understand, wait a minute, this thing ain't just a little deal, man. He's talking about Malta. He's talking about, other countries, China. I mean, this thing ain't just no neighborhood fad, right? Crypto is something real. It's something that's now, something that's going to change the world, that is changing the world. And we want you guys to be in on it. We want you guys to be invested into it, because a lot of you guys are going to be wealthy as hell in the next 2 or 3, 4, 5 years, 10 years, man. You're going to be stupid wealthy. And you're going to really want to know how to do, what to do with that money. Make sure you're getting educated about that. NFT, galleries, future of digital artwork, or another crypto fad. It's definitely not another crypto fad, folks. I can tell you that right now. NFTs, is there some bullshit NFTs out here? Yep. Paying 17 million, $20 million for some, Lord Jesus, some of the art that you see that are being sold, I just don't think it's worth it. It's just a JPEG that somebody uploaded, right? So I think that's insane. But when you start understanding the fullness of NFTs, then yeah, it's not a fad, folks. 3 reasons why Ethereum may underperform Bitcoin in the short term. Bitcoin under threat, El Salvador rejected, Mark Cuban stung, McAfee has nothing, Holders Digest, June 19 through 13th through the 19th. All FUD, folks. All FUD. Data suggests the strong US dollar makes Bitcoin weaker. Argument is flawed. They trying to create it, I swear they are. Canada's Hive blockchain technology is approved for NASDAQ listing. A rune with a view. How smart crypto traders caught a 48% price pump. Ethereum faces largest ever options expiry as bears appear to dominate in the news. A lot of money, man, in derivatives and leverage. Smart contracts and the law. Tech developments challenge legal community. Bitcoin may lose 30,000 price level if stocks tank, analysts warn. Beyond the hype, NFT's actual value is still to be determined, and it is. Perlin price gain 100% as the focus on green energy solutions intensifies. It's a new alt. Might want to put on your radar, folks. And so, let's go ahead and jump right into this news. Plan B. If you're not following him on Twitter, you might want to do so. Okay. Bitcoin's price can hit 450K in 2021. That's this year, folks. 135K is the worst case scenario according to Plan B. The only way is more or less up for BTC price action, the analysts insist, offering a potential 2021 high of $450,000. That is insane, folks. But he has a good argument because, again, we can see the metrics, we can see the data, we see who is buying, who's accumulating. And we also see the manipulation in the market too. The accumulation in the market, especially the accumulation. Oh my God, the accumulation. Some of the whales that's been sleeping, they've been holding, they've been buying these dips, folks, that a lot of the newbies have been selling. And I just think that's crazy. Don't sell your Bitcoin, folks. That's according to the Plan B, who on June 20 released his latest sentiment busting bullish BTC prognosis. Bitcoin to match all-time high in October. Well known as the creator of the stock-to-flow Bitcoin price forecasting models, Plan B has repeatedly bucked the overall market mood in recent weeks and months. Even as BTC USD sees multiple retests of lows from months past, the analyst and his models remain firmly fixed on a far brighter midterm goal for the largest cryptocurrency. Now, even the worst case scenario for Bitcoin would see it trade at 47,000 in August. A slight reversal in September places the minimum target at 43,000 for that month, only to be followed by 63,000 in October near current all-time highs. Then things heat up with 98,000 on the cards in November and a giant 135 by the end of the year. That's the worst case scenario, folks, that he's putting out there. And this guy has been pretty accurate on his model. As such, Bitcoin is still 4 months from rematching its all-time high, a prediction that nonetheless beats some bearish models currently circulating from traders. These include Josh Rager, who this week claimed that 64.5 may well be have been this price top cycle, something Plan B has specifically renounced on multiple occasions. Wait until you see my bear case and best case scenarios. Okay, a hit. Best case December 450K. And he added in comments about that Bitcoin could be capable of 2021. Kiyosaki awaits for 24,000 buy-in. That's Cointelegraph reported. Meanwhile, the weekend is seeing problematic moves by Bitcoin. Sunday's low stood at 33.37. I bought that dip myself on Bitstamp at the right time of writing, with BTC USD shedding 5% on the day and reversing most of the previous week's gains. Calls for the further leg down are growing from various sources, with Robert Kiyosaki, author of Rich Dad Poor Dad, being the latest high-profile voice going short. Biggest bubble in the world history getting bigger. He warned about overall macro market climate on Sunday. Biggest crash in world history coming. Buy more gold and silver. Waiting for Bitcoin to drop to 24K. Crash is best. Time to get rich. Take care, is what he quoted. Such an event would echo March 2020, with commentators continuing to note the constant all-time highs on equities markets, regardless of noises from central banks. So, folks, that's in the news for today. Just wanted to drop that in your spirit. Hopefully, you guys are having a phenomenal day. And it's your boy, James R. Davis Sr. Let me do this real quick, because I want to make note of this myself. Let's do this while I got you guys live and see what this technology is per Lin. It's 8 cents right now. Does not have a max supply. The circulating supply is 490,000. Total supply is 1 billion. All right. Total locked up 17 million. Okay, let's go over here, look at more. Just looking at some of the things I like to look at myself. All time high was 29 cents. All time low was a penny. So this is a DeFi program, possibly part of the asset liquidity engine, decentralized democratizing the trading of real world assets through decentralized liquidity pools and synthetic asset generation. Nice. Just clicking on another ad, making me some more money while live on here. And so, yeah, I'm going to be looking into this. Follow the community. Join us on Discord. Let's see the news. So, might be something that you guys are getting a real view on what I do when I research a lot of coins and see what's going on with them. Since 2018, yep, good. Might be a good buy. Might be a good buy. Possibly. Do your own research, folks. It's your boy, James R. Davis Sr. Yeah. 8 cents, huh? Nice. This thing could do some running. I'm gonna do my little research on this myself. You do yours. Talk to